Hello everyone. Usually when you have the error code C1974 on Western Union, then the first thing you'll do is contact customer support, right? So here's the thing. The customer support, I don't know how good that is, but if you want a quick solution, and I found it that just make a new account. That's the best solution I can give you, like with a different email address. Yeah, it's not your bank, so it's Western Union, and and just open a new account under new email address. Just keep your information as is, like your name, and you should be good to go. No more C1974 error. And now, if you still have that problem, like you get some error like this transaction couldn't be completed, and then you can contact customer support. All right. If not, you can just simply create a new account, and it will take like 5 minutes, and no more C1 and 74. So that's all for this, and I'll see you in the next one.